This can't be happening.
Oh, it's happening, sweetheart.
Oh, it's happening, sweetheart.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Ah!
That's why State Farm is there.
What a day.
With car insurance for when things go wrong,
What a day.
but also here with car loans to help life go right.
We're gonna play
State Farm.
one more time.
Yeah, one more time.
One more time, guys.
Are you back? Is this my car? State Farm knows that for every one of those moments,
This is ridiculous.
there's one of these.
Is this my car? What? This is ridiculous.
This can't be happening.
This can't be happening.
Oh, it's happening, sweetheart.
Oh, it's happening, sweetheart.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Ah!
That's why State Farm is there.
What a day.
With car insurance for when things go wrong,
What a day.
but also here with car loans to help life go right.
Let's play it one more
Alright.
time.
I didn't even ask a question.
I already know what you're gonna ask.
Well, I'm gonna ask, Psyche.
What's the compare and contrast?
Alright, that's pretty good.
How is the juxtaposition?
Oh, exactly. So, answer, Mr. Keller.
Because when she was getting the car, her car was perfect. And when he got his car was like somebody ran through.
Alright, Mrs. Keller.
Okay. So.
Hey, Keller.
Exactly. So they showed two different points of view. So they showed two different. They used juxtaposition, but they used two different. So they had someone who was having a good day, and someone who was having a bad day, in order to explain that State Farm would be different.
Okay. Mrs. Keller.
All state.
That's okay. I said it's like the same thing that she said, but it's like how in Selma and Naya they were saying like they was in the same, like they was both in Sudan, but it was talking about different struggles that you can have in Sudan.
Exactly.
And this part was talking about different struggles you can have when getting a car.
Okay.
Losing a car.
So, the two car accidents were what? Side by what?
Side.
And the stories of Naya and Salva in this novel are what?
Side by side.
Okay. Oh, go ahead, Miss Davis.
So do you see how, because I want to talk about context for a minute, because that was one of the things that the video also showed. It showed us different contexts. Like why it seemed like the same thing was happening, but when you change what happens around an event, it changes the outcome. So the people were saying, the actors were saying the same thing. And he's like, this isn't happening. And she's like, oh, this isn't happening. So when you change the context, so give me the two different contexts that we saw here. Somebody other than Faith, somebody other than Vanessa,
Or Joshua.
Jayla.
The guy's car got jacked up and the girl got the new car.
Okay, right. So those are the different contexts. So they could be saying the same thing, but yet the context changes the what of the situation. What was one of our words up there? Look at the first DOT. Changes the what?
Meaning.
Changes the meaning. So, which also could affect each character's
Perspective.
very good. So let's go ahead and move into our next activity that we have, which is you're going to talk about juxtaposition in your groups, but what's going to happen is you're going to become group experts.
Yes.
All right? So, we're talking about juxtaposition, and we're going to put the protocol up so you guys can see how we're going to execute this.
Okay.
So, we have Anthony.
You're going to have to move over here.
Right here, yeah.
Yeah, you can move right here.
Yep.
Yeah, and for my buddy.
It's a pretty fun activity. What's up,
So
buddy?
basically everybody in here.
Oh, Court, are we writing paragraphs?
Why? Explain.
You
Or
get to
what,
sit over
next?
here with me.
Alright. Good real life application.
All right, so the name of this activity is called Group Excerpt Protocol. And you guys are together and you're going to work in your group. So the first thing, number one says choose two speakers. One will speak about Salva and one will speak about Naya. Okay, so you'll figure that out in your group, okay? Then you're going to choose one person to be a note taker. So we're going to give you guys some papers.
Oh, I had
You said two about Selva.
All right, Mr. Davis is going, hold on.
You said two about Selva.
Give me five. Let me get through the instructions and then I'll let you guys ask questions afterwards. So you're going to choose one note taker and you're going to write down evidence from the text for each character that supports the answer to your table question. Now, look on your table in the middle, and you have a sheet with a question written in blue. Okay? So, group over here, group number 1. In A Long Walk to Water, what was each character's experience with fear? Okay? So, what you'll do is one person will talk about Salva's experience with fear. The other person will talk about Naya's experience with fear. Okay? And then you will support your answer with evidence from the text. All right? Now, you guys read chapters 9 and 10 last night, but we're going to allow you to use what you have read up to this point. Okay? But if you want, you can try to stay in 9 and 10, or you can move up to what you've read thus far. Don't go past 10. Okay? Chapter 10. All right. This person will also, the note taker, write down the chapter and the page number where the group pulled the evidence from on the juxtaposition chart. So we have a juxtaposition anchor chart up here. So whoever your note taker was, they'll come up to the chart and write down the evidence. Okay? And then you guys sitting at your seats, you can take notes on where they found the evidence, because you guys are going to have an end of unit assessment, and you will have to analyze textual information, textual evidence. So this is going to help you out for that assessment, okay? So you want to be sure to